Hi, I'm Guy, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice to have just a real simple recipe for evaluating web hosting? You're going to start your business online. What are the things to look for in a web host? Okay, here's the list. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got this in text too, so you can recognize it in the video that's on YouTube. The 4 things are the uptime, the speed, the support. When you need hand holding, is there somebody on the other end of the phone line, and the price. Sometimes with a great price, you get not so good support. Sometimes you pay a little bit more and you get great support. So make a decision based on that information. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.